Get ready to be amazed by another incredible episode. This time, we're taking you on an exclusive journey to the cutting-edge world of agricultural machines and robots that look like they came straight out of a science fiction movie. So sit back, relax, and get ready to explore the future of farming like never before. This robotic dog takes pest control to the next level by automatically spraying an anti-mosquito mist to protect crops from insects and other pests. A specialized long chainsaw is designed to dig around trees, carefully preserving their root balls to prepare them for transport. Bundles of spinach are quickly and automatically tied using a specialized tool. This drill creates the perfect trench in a single pass, even in swampy or frozen ground. A machine equipped with multiple nozzles performs a side-to-side dance while spraying pesticides, ensuring complete coverage. To make corn sticky, it's crushed with the husks and turned into ready-to-eat rolls. To ensure your tree looks perfect, it's carefully packed before shipping to keep all branches intact. With a tree pruner like this, you could even tackle the depths of the jungle. A professional rice harvesting machine cuts and bundles crops with skill. A small floating vessel waters the crops using surrounding water, showcasing smart farming technology. A hay bale is compacted and wrapped in plastic in a dizzying but highly efficient process. This amazing rice seeding machine is a revolutionary innovation, transforming agriculture on a global scale. A suction tool designed specifically for dandelions makes harvesting them a breeze. This automatic robot, similar to a robotic floor vacuum, can mow the lawn on its own, impressively managing the task without human intervention. A snowplow-like machine gathers hay from multiple directions, simplifying the process of feeding cows. Transforming scrap plywood into biomass pellets, this shredder efficiently repurposes old materials, offering substantial economic benefits. Discover the innovative method farmers use to wash carrots after harvesting. The video shows a lawnmower in action, but it's much bigger than you'd expect. A tree transplanting attachment digs around a tree, removing a hole without damaging its roots. This powerful cotton harvester collects and packs the cotton instantly, ready to be transported long distances. A specialized machine harvests grapes by shaking the vines inside, causing the ripe grapes to fall into a collection area. An efficient machine harvests onions by picking them individually with a vertical conveyor belt, eliminating the need for manual labor. A machine simplifies rice harvesting by cutting, bundling, and setting aside the plants with minimal human effort.